guys, I forgot to film an intro for this video. Don't know how that happened, but I just wanted to remind you guys that if you can please hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications, that would mean a lot to me, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up or a thumbs down, letting me know if you want more videos like this or if you like these style videos, as well as commenting down below any suggestions that you have for any videos. Alright, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media because that's where I'm most active and most up to date in telling you guys what I'm posting. Okay, so first you want to make sure that you start off with an extremely clean face, no product. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take this Fake Bake Flawless Darker Self Tanner, and what you're going to do is you're going to pour it into the cover and then transfer the fake tan liquid into a flat top. I'm just using an old container top for this. You want it to be able to fit your brush. I'm going to be using this Beautique number 37 brush, and you're just going to dip it in and let the self tanner soak in, and you want to just tap it in light motions. And what I love about this brush is that it's a stippling brush, and so it gives the look of freckles with a more flawless look to it. You can dip in again just to create some different shades and shapes for the freckles, and you're also going to want to put it other places, not just your nose and cheeks. I like to put it on my eyes as well so it looks a little more natural. And what you're going to do is you're just going to wait for about 30 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Then you're going to take a old rag and wet it, and then you're just going to wipe it over where you put the fake freckles. And once you're done with that, I'm just going to keep wiping. You want to make sure that you get off any residue that might transfer anywhere. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to be very gentle. And voila, there you go. They're subtle, yet they look beautiful.